for acceptance, niggas will do anything. Niggas
Yeah, it's perfect timing.
Yeah.
That's the prettiest spot.
Yeah.
See down there. If the guy bothers you, don't just go to hell because that's the road that goes right straight to the beach, right?
Okay.
He's a bit of an asshole.
Is he? Alright.
He's bigger than that. Anyway, that's where they got.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir. A week. He's a bit of an asshole.
No, it's bigger than that.
It's bigger than an asshole. Oh my god.
Asshole.
This is a nice old guy.
Can't wait to meet that.
So big.
Walking to wherever the fuck we're going. In this marshland. Life. Don't even know what this is. Got my backpack. And got my drink, so we're good. Everyone, this is Ty.
Yo, it's good.
And we're in this marshland.
Whoa, no.
Oh, Jesus!
Whoa.
Yo, it looks like a
Look at
movie.
that.
Okay, I'm gonna flip.
Sleeping on us.
Bye.
Guys, don't do something good. We're
Yeah, something good, but we're having fries up there.
Oh, this is crazy.
That citizen's catching.
Bro, this place is crazy. I can totally get in there. And you're so accessible to get in there.
What? The How are we supposed to? Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at this. What the fuck? What the fuck? This is sick. Hold on, wait.
Guys, fucking nice stuff. And there's more. Like, that's just a bit of it.
Yo.
Look at all the friggin' phones.
Oh.
This is gonna be some bangers today.
Hey.
Actually, maybe not. Maybe not.
Should I change? What should I do?
I like the pants we got on right now.
Guys, look at this proper clay here. This is proper clay.
What do you got? Did you bring your hat?
Oh my god, I'm gonna drink the water.
Do it.
Oh my god.
It
What if
looks
I
so
get
clean.
sick? I have such a bad digestive system. What
Yeah,
if
I don't know if there's
sick?
like any worms or anything in it.
Don't. It looks clean though. Look how crystalline
It
it
does
is.
look clean.
It looks crystal.
Oh, this is like raw.
It looks clean and pristine. Oh my god.
I got a white t-shirt.
Look at this nigga with his hat. He really got a hat. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't know.
Ty, stop! What are you doing?
I think the best thing to do is walk with your heels. So like when you go through, walk like, oh yeah, like the best thing is just don't put your foot right in it. But like walk with your heels so there's like the water's not hitting your foot.
Look at this. Oh my god.
That's a dope shot right there.
That's a dope shot right there.
Yeah.
He's really getting his camera out. Oh my god. Okay, I'll come try and help.
I'll pray for you.
I did not trust myself. Oh my god. It is all rock, but I'm worried about stepping on slippery rock.
Yeah.
I got water in my shoe.
Oh shit.
It's okay.
Yeah, the best bet would be that raw, and then over here. There you go.
Hi, I'm here. Oh yay! I caught all of that. Guys, I just made it through there. And now I'm here. My shoe's wet, but it's okay, whatever. It looks clean as fuck, so it's cool. He's just over there making his own personal wardrobe. You know, looking Hispanic now. Wow, he just changed race so quickly. Like, wow. Julio! Hey, Julio! ¿Cómo estás?
I'm ready.
Oh my god. He went from Thai to Julio real quick.
It doesn't look like fucking Nova Scotia.
Oh my god, I just came down that fucking, oh my god. You're so excited. You're so excited. Woo! Oh my god. Guys, do you see where I am right now? Like, do you see where I am? Do you, like...
Tide's over now, but the tide comes in.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
It's usually all filled with water.
Are you serious?
Yes, it is.
What time?
I don't know.
Cause we're as far. I need to eat. We're gonna have to call like emergency helicopter. I knew that would be, what the fuck is that poop? Anyways, I knew I'd be, you know, out doing, you know, a shoot, but I didn't know it would be at a place like this, because this is quite a place.
Right there.
Where?
Smell that? That smells like tide. Oh, tide! If the tide comes out,
guys, look at how many fucking snails there are. There's so many snails on the floor. Look at this. So many snails. Oh my god. Sure.
This is kind of
Guys,
intimidating, bro.
we are at the chip shop.
What do you think of this?
We're at the chip shop.
Don't I have that? No, you have a different
We're
version.
at the chip shop. And oh my god, I said that like 4 times. We are at the chip shop. I'm done saying that. And we're waiting for food. I'm gonna place our orders in a minute. We're editing pictures. You don't need to see. You don't need to see. Let me put the focus because it went.
focus on your boy here.
So, we're editing.
Send me that one. Is that edited already?
Yeah, that one's
Send me
beauty.
Like, what do you mean on the corner? Like on top of each other? That's annoying though, because then they can't do that. How do I...
But like, yeah, man. I was like, what the hell?
What's up with that, bro?
I don't know, man.
Why are they talking shit?
They
As soon as they
Who
say
said
that, you know how I go to Aperture Studio, and I've been walking there. What's your name?
On Barrington.
Where's that? Is it like a?
Because I deal with
It's just
Fundy
a
production.
studio.
Alright.
It's where all them girls go get their shots done.
Someone said that about me?
Yeah, bro.
What the? See, and it's
I'll tell you
scary.
this.
That was you taking that picture.
Yo, I need. No.
Wow.
You're
Not on
nuts.
I'm not.
Poor lady.
Taunting that poor lady.
I said, no. I could never go to Asia or somewhere because I would just too many people. I would just be like, I wouldn't mean to, but I would just automatically drive like that.
Bathroom clean?
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Yeah.
Are you finished?
I'm all finished.
Thank you.
I had a good time. Don't laugh.
You're actually awful, man.
Alright, let's stop, guys. That's a big ass piece of fish. You should just get a one.
I was planning on taking it home, girl. So much food. I always get 2 pieces. Because I'm like, why get one for like $9 or 10? And I can get 2 for 12 or more fries.
Beef or broccoli?
Beef broccoli. So good. I wonder if I can ask for some of that sweet chili sauce to go home.
Totally go for it.
I totally asked.
Oh, did you ask?
No, I will.
Oh, sorry. I'm still stoned out from that girl stealing my work.
Oh yeah. Did you put her in blast?
Yeah. But I have to correct it because
I need a good look.
I typed something in wrong.
What's this place called?
Fish and co. Fries and co. No, I feel like having a crepe or something. So weird. A crepe? A crepe?